Hi teachers, today I want to show you how to upload your first activity in the Activities tab. In my last tutorial, I showed you how to upload it through Journal, which was immediate, not too complex. Well, in Activities, it's more like a Google Classroom where you can upload an image, you can upload an example. This one is a little bit more complicated, but I know it's doable. So I'm going to click here on Activities. I can see three choices here. I have my scheduled activities, my archived activities. I can also browse my activity library. So here I can hit schedule to see what I've assigned, but there is nothing. So here, let's see, browse activity library. Here you have community, where many people are sharing their activities. And then here I have my library. So these are the activities that I have assigned to my full-time classroom. And I am going to assign one of these. Let's say I've created these assignments previously, and I can assign right here. Let's go ahead and assign. Actually, let me assign this one here. And I have all my classes that I'm responsible for, and I'm going to upload it to my tutorial class. And before I hit assign to one class, I can schedule it. And I can assign this immediately, or I can schedule it. So what I've done is I've created my lessons, and then I just assign them by day. So I'm going to click right here. I'm going to hit March 24th. I can assign it first thing in the morning, a.m., and then it'll upload tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. I need to click assign. So now I'm going to go back, and I can go back to my class here. And you can see under scheduled, I have that assignment, and it'll tell me exactly when it's assigned and to which students. Now, I want to show you how to upload a new assignment as well, something that isn't saved in your library. You're going to make sure you're in Activities again. You're going to hit the plus button, Assign Activity, and this time I'm going to show you how to use a file on your computer, so make sure you know where it's located. I'm going to click Assign New Activity, and I usually start with the date. Tomorrow is March 24th, and I put a title on it. Pete saves the day. And I will say read the story rather. Then circle unfamiliar words, because we are learning how to use close reading symbols and annotate. Then circle unfamiliar words with the pen tools. Use the text box to tell what the boys learned, ? How did they make a mistake? And then I can, even if you think that your students may have difficulty, you can add voice directions and it'll prompt you. I can also add an example or a video link, but here I'm going to add a template for them to respond on. So I go here, I'm going to upload it, and I am going to just drag it from my computer. I click check. And you can even write on here if you want, check again, and save. Now I need to assign it. I've created this assignment. I'm going to go to Assign, and I want this for tomorrow. I'm going to schedule the 24th. Here I have 8 o'clock a.m. I usually assign all the assignments in the morning so that the children can work on them throughout the day. So I'll click check, assign, and I am done. I can go back to class here. So now, if I go to scheduled, I can see all the assignments that have been scheduled. So if I go, I want to show you how to upload a video link as well. So if I go here, I'm going to assign an activity. So here I'm going to create a new activity, and I'm going to call this, I want to start with the date, Tuesday, March 24th, write a friendly, oh no, let's make a bubble map. Make a bubble map. Okay, so now I'm going to write, please watch the video, make a bubble map for the character turtle. Describe turtle. Okay, and again, I can add the voice directions here. I can insert the video link, paste, click. So now I'm here, I have the video link posted, and I'm going to add a template. So to do this, I'm going to go to Add Template, Upload, and again, I have my file open on the side here. I just drag it, hit check, check again. They can either print it out or use the pen tools in Seesaw, and I can even add that to my directions. I'm going to click Save, and now I'm going to schedule this. So assign to my tutorial class, assign 1. Oops, I forgot to schedule this. Okay, so tutorial, let's schedule it for tomorrow morning, and then I'm going to show you how to delete it. 8 o'clock a.m., check, assign. Now let's go back to class, and you're going to see where I made the mistake. This uploaded immediately, and I want to delete that because it's intended for tomorrow. So to delete that, I just go here, delete activity, and delete. And then I can make sure that it's all under scheduled, and you can see the details here. Well, there you go. I hope you found it useful.